Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making two ingredients dessert recipe for festive seasons. Cashew 1 cup, make fine powder. Sugar half cup, water 1/4 cup. Mix everything. Now add cashew powder. Milk powder 1/4 cup optional. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Ghee 1 tablespoon optional. Mix everything. Perfect consistency. Wax paper apply ghee. Transfer cashew and sugar paste. Set for 20 minutes. Now it's ready. Edible gold foil optional. Cut into any shape you want. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Soft and yummy dessert. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.